Want to make it look like your video is playing inside the real cinema theater? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using CapCut Mobile in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step number 1. First, open CapCut and tap New Project. Import a cinema theater image or video that will serve as your background. This will create the movie theater scene where your video will appear. Step number 2. Tap Overlay. Then select Add Overlay. Choose the video you want to display on the cinema screen and add it to your project. Now, adjust your background and the length of the video you selected. For the third step, pinch and drag overlay video to resize it. Carefully position it over the cinema screen. Try to align the corners as closely as possible for a realistic effect. And that's it! Your video now looks like it's playing inside a real cinema theater. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!